Sometimes all that is needed to create a little pop on a photo is to work with some lighting effects. There's several ways to do that in Photoshop. I'm going to show you a way using some render filters. So whenever I apply a render filter, I do like to create a smart object out of my background. That means that I'm using a smart filter that I can go back and edit. To do that, I just go to Layer, Smart Object, Convert to Smart Object. When I do that, I have an icon down in the lower right hand corner that indicates I do have a smart object. Next, I'm going to go to Filter, Render, and Lighting Effects. Lighting effects do take a while to apply, and I will warn you they can be real memory suckers. And I have experienced some shutting down while using these, so just be forewarned, they can be a little dangerous. You do have some presets that ship. Most of these, in my opinion, are quite hideous. I do like the Soft Omni. I think that is a good look if you want something right out of the box. I am also a fan of the Soft Spotlight. You can move that around. But you can see some of these, and we're going to start with our default. And so to create custom lights using a default, you basically have, this is your spotlight, and you can see you can go with a point, a spotlight, an infinite light. You have some different options for how you work with your light. I like working with the spotlight. I think that's interesting. Kind of my preferred work is to create my spotlight space, kind of move it where I like it. You can scale the width here in different directions, just so you get the look that you like for that basic one. You can determine the intensity here. Let's increase the length of this. I think I might want to bring that out a little bit more actually. There we go. And you can change the hotspot in this dialog, increase the color value. Again, come back and so it's a complete workaround to kind of give you the look you like. You can go through and colorize it, altering the exposure, even applying some textures to it. So at the end, when you're finished with your working with the hotspot and rotating that the way you like, hit OK. And it will take a minute to take it into Photoshop. And there you kind of have a cool effect. So this can be a nice addition to spotlighting some items. Of course, the more you can do with lighting in camera, the better. But sometimes you might want to create some photo illustrations that spotlight certain aspects of an object.